Alright, we're rolling. From my backyard in Indiana. Been missing you guys. We've got meetup groups in New Mexico and California to practice Qigong. I've been lax and technologically challenged. But we need to continue our practice in these times. It's one of the best things we can do for boosting our immune system, our connection to life, our health, connection to the outdoors, and in a safe way to each other. We will start groups again at some point, even if we have to wear masks and stuff. But for now, let's keep our individual practices going. There's nothing wrong with doing a couple easy postures that you remember. Extra moments. You need a break. You need to energize. I hope everyone's quit smoking pretty much at this point. Commercial tobacco is dreadful. Come out and do Qigong. Switch to Qigong. It's a beautiful April day. It's just warm enough now to practice. And I encourage people to do intuitive Qigong practice. I'm just warming up right now. I'm not breathing fully yet. But I wanted to reconnect and let everyone know I'm thinking of you in both places. And I miss the Qigong practice groups. I hope to do an online, maybe a Zoom, and maybe this weekend. Again, if I can pull it together to do it in a good way. For now, let me show you a couple things that I'm working on. Pardon the upward angle, I don't know. It's on a tree stump here, so on the bottom of actually a large oak, I believe. And you see the pine in the background. It's Indiana. It's actually quite beautiful, and there's room still to function. To have a garden. I recommend everyone have gardens. This is kind of a standing exercise. I've seen it in a couple places now. I'm pretty sure my teacher Stephen has been demonstrating this one lately in a video as well. It's a simple standing posture. The tail is tucked, the chin is tucked, the shoulders are nicely back, strong in the back. Just breathing. Focusing chi on the 7th chakra, 6th and 7th chakras, the pineal. Very strengthening, very relaxing meditation. Knees are sliding, of course. And then releasing. No need to go further than feels comfortable. I love to do 5 breaths. And now I'm practicing to go longer. And it feels delicious. Stephen also has a practice where he then moves to the heart chakra and breathes there. This is the closing to his Harmony series, which is a lovely and powerful series. I will post a link to that. But here in the heart chakra, it's really like very similar to tree pose, as if embracing a tree. It's embracing the heart energy, or the tree of life. Again, delicious and restorative. It's good to take 5 breaths there. And then release again. Let the shoulder relax. And in another breath or so, begin focusing on the hara, second and third chakras, the belly, even the survival lowest chakra. This is a strengthening exercise, honoring our life, energy, our individual life. So where our power is drawn from the horses of the some of the yogic traditions. Again, deeply relaxing because it's so much below the mind. It's just a great place to meditate as long as you can. Wonderful strengthening posture. But it's good to start with those 5 breaths again. Nice. And then after doing so, inhaling up, exhaling all the way down through the chakras. And through the soles of the feet. I like to do that a couple of times. You can do Om to this. It's exactly the same energy movement. It's delicious. And then we ground. Feel the soles of your feet on the ground. So you're ready to move forward into whatever you're doing next, strongly, with purpose, intention, and relaxed chi. Loving, open-hearted, connected chi. All the chakras. That's a good teaching for today. Questions and comments are always welcome. Very windy out, but it was nice to connect in a calm, warm part of a windy day. Blessings.